Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can update Selenium or a Chromedriver for Selenium, and in general how to update it. You won't be needing to actually enter Selenium. You will be doing this outside. It is just switching some files, which is completely easy and simple. I am using this tutorial since it is the fastest way that I can explain this to you guys, so bear with me. And yeah, let's get right into it. First of all, what you're going to want to do is go into Chrome and check your Chrome version by going on the three dots and then help about Google Chrome. Then you should there see which version you are running. As you can see, this is 1.12 for this guy. Then you want to update the version, and once it's updated, then you want to as this person, as you can see, had 1.12, then they will have 1.13, which means they will need Chromium or Chromedriver 1.13. In your case, it might be most likely 1.15, or if you're looking this up at a later date, 1.16. But yeah, once it's updated, then you're going to want to relaunch Chrome. Once you relaunch Chrome, make sure that you only have one instance running, and then go to the Chromedriver website. There you want to select the version that you want. And once you do, as you can see, this is 1.13. Once you do, just download it. And once you do, what you need to do is kill all processes, including Chrome. Make sure that no instances are running. And once you do, just replace the executable with the newly downloaded file, and you should be good to go. But yeah, that's been it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.